Ongoing reporting requirements for US companies. Once US registers with SEC and has publicly placed securities in the US, it must file or furnish the following. Domestic issuer. 1 annual report. Form 10-K must be filed with the SEC within 90 days after year-end for non-accelerated filers and newly public company. 75 days after year-end for accelerated filers. 60 days after year-end for large accelerated filers. 2. Quarterly report. Form Q10 must be filed with 45 days after quarter end for non-accelerated, 40 days after quarter end for accelerated and large accelerated filer. 3. Current report. Generally, Form 8-K must be filled within 4 business days after changes in the board of directors, independent auditors, a change of control, and other significant changes in the business foreign registration and reporting requirements. If US company carries on business with US customers, it must register with the SEC and file reports with the SEC under the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act (FATCA). It must also provide certain information to the IRS under the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act (FATCA) reporting and consent decree. These reports include 1. Form 1099 MISC, which must be filed by intermediaries that received payments from a source in excess of $150,000 in a tax year. 2. Form 8041, which is a tax return for non-US individuals and non-US taxable entities that receive payments from a US source. 3. Form 8 Anyway, which must be filed by US persons if the aggregate amount of non-US payments made to or received by a US person during the tax year was $150,000 or more. 4. Form 8CR, which is a tax return for non-US individuals and non-US taxable entities that are controlled by a US person and receive payments from a US source. Additionally, if US company has assets or financial interests in a non-US trust or partnership, it must file a report with the IRS under the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act (FATCA) report and participation agreement.